So our exam is near the corner. It is not even 1 month left for our exam. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. So let's start the important video, which is on how to solve case study. So our exam is near the corner. It is not even 1 month left for our exam. तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि how we will solve the case study. So let's see. First point is we need to read the questions properly. Yes, not the case study. Case study we will read afterwards, but before that we need to go through the question properly. Okay, it is because that if we go through the question properly, case study, then you will read the case study, you will understand, okay, here is the, I think here is the answer, it is matching with the questions. So we will get the para which will give our answer, and it will also consume less time, because if you read the case study once, then you read the question, then you again go to the case study to find the answer, it will take you more time. So always read the question first. You will get around 2 questions. It will not, okay, one more thing, like if you have solved module 6 of Amity, you will see that there is MCQ. So in in the exam you will not get MCQ only, you will get broad questions also. So don't think that you will just get MCQ there. So you will get broad questions. So first read the question properly, okay, and then go to the case study to find the answer. So on the screen I will show you one case study. So first understand which subject it is. Of course you will understand through the question paper, okay. Then understand the topic, like which module it is, which module the case study is from, or it is from a mix of modules. For example, if you see especially in accountancy, you can get a case study which will both have to create a journal, you have to create a ledger, or you have to create a balance sheet, which will be a mixed of module 1 and 2. So like this you can also get. So understand the topic, understand the module from where you are getting the case study, okay. For example, here it is from module 1 of economics, economics for management. So here you see that it is about supply of goods, demand, and the question here you can see different factors affecting the supply of goods. So first is the question, that is different factor affecting the supply of goods. Then this question we will find in the case study which is showing on your screen, okay. Then go to the case study and read, and I am damn sure you will get the answer from that, because case study is normally for especially for the theoretical questions, for theoretical subjects. If it is a question which is coming from accountancy and you have to you have to solve a sum, then yes, it have to be a correct way, you have to follow a correct way, and then only it is, if you get the correct answer, then it is only correct. But for the theoretical subject, it is not so easy to get wrong. It will be easy for you, because if you understand the case study, and you will get the answer in the case study, okay. So yeah, so the question is different factor affecting the supply of goods. I think you have gone through the case study which is showing on your screen. So in the case study we can see a line that the company might supply around 1 lakh system if the price is $200 each, but if the price increases to $300, they might supply 1.5 lakhs. That is the first point. So first factor that is affecting supply is price, PRICE, price. And from our book also, if we have learned the thing what is the factor affecting supply, we will see, we will get a point like price which is affecting supply. Okay, here also in the second paragraph we can see that when the price of gasoline increases, it encourages profit seeking firms to take several actions like expand exploration of oil reserves, drill for more oil. So we can see there is another point we are getting here, that is cost of production. If the cost of production increases, supply is affected, okay. Third point is our outcome should always be in positive way. For example, if they ask a question where they ask your opinion, I will prefer that opinion should always be in a positive manner. Avoid that negative manner way of telling some outcome, okay, which will affect our marking. So case studies are normally to judge how good manager we will be in future, because we are studying MBA, so they are actually testing our managerial skills. So better, it is very preferable to be in a positive way. And the fourth point, which is the most important point, that is give examples which will help you to gain more marks. And for example, here different factors affecting the supply of goods. So you will tell the factors which you get from the case study, but also give some examples which you think is relevant to this question, which will definitely increase your marks. Okay, so for now I think this points will help you to solve the case studies. So meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, keep supporting.